My name is yesterday I went to Ladipo to buy some spare parts for my vehicle. And as I was going around to look for the parts, some people were calling me, some people were just pointing fingers at me. Some were saying something. I quickly ignored them. And I went in search of what I wanted. And I saw the parts and I went to my vehicle where I packed it to fix it. And before I know it, they started gathering. Those Ladipo boys started, some of them were, this is Igbokwe, this is Igbokwe, this is Igbokwe. So you can come to this market. Igbokwe, this, Igbokwe, this, that. I just ignored them. And they started, they were coming, and I decided to move away from that place. I went to my friend's shop. Then I was there. And my friend went to call the leadership of the market. All of them came. And then one day I said, let me just go. I told them that I want to go. And I came outside. When I came outside, I saw a lot of people, a lot of them talking. Everybody's talking, saying all kinds of things. I didn't say anything. I just drove away. So this morning I woke up, went to my Facebook page. I was seeing all kinds of stories. Igbokwe was beaten, nobody beaten. This is me in life. Did I look at somebody? They cannot do it in Lagos. There are things you cannot do here. You can go to Southeast and be doing the rubbish you've been doing there and the shame that you have brought to us over the years, but not in Lagos. I pray that it will not happen again. I know what to do. I remember when we came to campaign in Ladipo a few years back when Fashla was there. These boys went and removed the side mirror of his official vehicle. These boys, and we left them. Yesterday they repeated the same, tried to do the same thing again. I said, only one. This is Lagos. This is Lagos. This is Lagos. Be careful. This is Lagos. And I'm going to stop it there. So nothing happened to me. I'm okay. Nobody touched me. Nobody even near me came to my face. Nobody did that. This is just to put the record straight. People have been calling me. They can't do it in Lagos. If they do it in Lagos, they will collect. I tell you, they will collect. That market, they may not see that market in the next 1 year. Nobody will trade. Nobody will go into that place.